All right, so let's talk about your Skool About page. And this is the page that your audience is going to see first when they want to join your community, okay? So on this page, you actually want to mention what is your school community about so that people know who this is for, what is included, and why do they have to join. Okay, so here on the description, you are going to write that. Now I have a simple template that I use for the About page to show this. So let's go here and then you're going to paste this. All right. Okay, so this community is for, so you're going to mention who is this for? Who are your ideal audience? So in this case, this community is for beginners who want a clear step-by-step way to mention the result or skill that they want to learn. So in this case, System in a Box is my PLR funnel that helps people build, launch, and monetize low-ticket funnels. I basically give them the template that start selling it. I also give all the resources that they need to. So this community is for, let me write here, System.io in now here, I don't want this to be hyperlinked, so I'm just going to call it System.io in a box. Customers who want a clear step-by-step way to launch and make money with their funnels faster without tech overwhelm, confusion, frustration, or guessing what to do next. So without tech overwhelm and frustration or guessing what to do next. Hi, I am, and then you're going to introduce yourself. So hi, I am Misbah, and I teach beginners how to build, launch, and monetize their low ticket funnels and generate leads and sales using my simple System in a Box IO in a I will show you, and then you can select proven frameworks, layout, processes, or simple system tools and get real support or membership. So I will show you the exact process that I followed to generate over 5,000 in leads and 5,000 in revenue with a $7 funnel, all organically with no paid ads. I'm also going to include the time frame within 30 days, all organically with no paid ads. Inside, you will get, and then you're going to mention everything that is included. System in a Box trainings, value, templates, email, copies, feedback and funnel feedback and reviews, and then community supports. There we go. And then you mentioned the outcome. So people really want to know about the outcome, right? Your community can be great and have 10,000 things inside, but unless they know what is going to be the end result, or the outcome is clearly mentioned in the About page, okay? So everything is designed to help you launch and make sales faster with confidence without investing in paid ads or paying thousands to coaching. Who this is for? So you're going to mention who are your ideal clients. For me, these are basically beginners who want to start their online business, course creators looking to launch their funnel. I'll mention coaches as well, coaches and course creators. Okay. If you want, and then you mentioned once again, if you want a step-by-step process, if you want process and mentor guiding you to the right path instead of figuring it out alone, you're going to write it. Okay, so now you're going to copy the link here, and then you're just going to remove this /about, okay, because they're already on the About page. Okay, so this is the link of your funnel. All right, so we actually passed this stage. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and remove some words and see who can do this. All right, so now we are done. We can just go ahead and click. Page is now updated. And then you can also go ahead and upload images and videos here. So if you click here, you can go ahead and upload an image, or you can add a video. Your images will be more of, what is the community all about. You can have up to 5-6 images, each showing different things that are included in your membership. You can see I have a pretty image here that basically tells people what's inside the community, and then another image is about testimonial, and then third one is what are we focusing inside the community, what are they getting access to, and then even show them that we do live calls as well. And then here's a sneak peek of one of the courses inside my community. So you can do the same. You can record a quick Loom video showing what's inside your community, just so they can have an idea of what it's like being inside your community before they actually join your community. Okay, so I have actually created some templates for you. If you click on the link below this video, you'll be taken to Canva, where you can design and customize some of the. Want to add a video instead, you can record a video on Loom, just like I'm recording this video right now, and then you can take the link and then paste the link here, and the video will show up. Now I will suggest you do a mixture. You could add 3-4 images and 1 video, so people have enough, so people actually know what is inside your community before. All right, okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you set up your About page, and we're going to talk what is the next step in the next video.